Assalamualaikum students, how are you? I hope you all will be fine. I am your math teacher. I am Shagufta Makbul. Please open this book of Oxford New Countdown Book 1. Please open page number 26 of this book. Numbers are given here. Write the missing numbers. You will have to add 10 more in given numbers. First of all, first is done for you. First two numbers are here. This is T. I'm writing a T, and this is O. This is ones, tens and ones. Here is 10. You will have to add 10 more. I am making 10 lines here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 lines are here. You will have to add 10 more. 10 is here. I am going to add 10 more in this 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20 is here. 20 is here. I am going to add 10 more. 20. You will have to change. 10 is here. I am going to add 10 more. I am going to add 10 more. 20 is here, so we'll write here. 2 is here. What comes after 2? 3 will come. I will write here. I am going to add 10 more. We can say here is 30. Answer is 30. You can check like this way. 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. 30, 40 is here. So you will have to add 10 more. 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. 50. So you will have to change. This is, you will have 10. So you will have to change 10. I am going to add 10 more. So here we will write 5. 5 tens mean 50. I am going to add 10 more, so you will write here 60. 60 is here. 70 is here. 60. I am going to add 10 more, so you 6 years you will write here 10 more. 7 tens mean 70. Here is empty box. 70 is here. You will add 10 more. 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79 and 80. I will write here 80 like this way. You can check. Next one is 90 is here. Next one, B part is here. 2 is here. I am going to add 10. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We will write here 12. 12 is here. We will add 10 more. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. 22 is here. I am going to add 10 more. I will write here 32. Look at here. I will change this 10. 32. You can check 22, 21, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. I am going to check it again. 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 20, 29, 30, 31 and 32. 32 is here. So I am going to add 10 more. You will have to change this 10. What after adding 10 more, 42 will come here. After adding 10 more, 52 will come here. After adding 10 more, 5 is here. You will have to write here 6, 62. After adding 62, we will add 10 more. 72 will come here, and here is 82. Next one is C part. Look at C part. C part is here. Today you will have to complete C part 17. After adding 27 is here. I am going to add 10 more. 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36 and 37. We will write here 37. We will 10 more, 47. We will add 10 more. Then we will write here 57. 5 is here. You will change 10. 67. 6 is here. You will add 10 more. 77. 7 is here. You will add 10 more. 87. 9 is here. You will have 10 more. Add 10 more. 97. Next one is D is here. Look at D part. Like this way you will have to complete D part. 14, I am going to add 10 more. 14, here is 1, I will add 2. 2 tens mean 20 and 4 24. 2, I am going to add 10 more. I will get 34. 3 tens mean 30 and 4. I am going to add 10 more. 30 is here. We will get 40. 4 is here. 44. 54. 5 tens here mean 50. I am going to add 10 more. 60 and 4. 64. 64 is here. I am going to add 10 more. 6 tens are here. I am going to add 7. 10 more. 6 tens means 60. I am going to add 7. We will write here 7 and 4. 74. 7 is here. I am going to add 10. 80. 84. 8 is here. I am going to add 10. 90 and 4 is here. Last one is E part is. Look at E part. E part is given here. We will have to solve E part. I am going to help you. 21 is here. What will be? This is empty box. So 2 tens mean 20. I will write here 1 10 and I will write here 1. 11. We will get 11. 11. I am going to add 10 more. 21. I am going to add 10 more. 10 more. 20. We will add 10 more. We will get 30. 31. After adding 30, we will add 4. 1 10 more. 4 tens mean 40. 41. Then I will add 5 tens. 50. Then we will add 10. We have 51. I am going to add 10 more. 6 tens. 61. I am going to add 10. 71. I am going to add 10. 81. I am going to add. Here is 91 is written here. Look at students. Today you will have to complete page number 26 like this way. Today you will have to complete page number 26 like this way. If you are feeling any difficulty, you can discuss with me. Today you will have to complete page number 26 on book. Thank you so much.